How to email HoYoverse support. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can email or contact HoYoverse. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the account used for account management on HoYoverse or any of the other applications has actually changed. Now there are different types of product that you want to email the customer service for, such as for your HoYoverse account, your Hoyo Lab, your Genshin Impact account, or maybe your Honka Impact account, and so many on such as those. Now each of these sectors has different types of email addresses that you have to use to contact. For example, HoYoverse has a separate customer email address and Hoyo Lab also has a separate one. But since we're only learning out how to contact the HoYoverse section, what you have to do is first, in order to email them, I have the email. I'll also make sure to leave it in the description box. You just need to go to your mailing app depending upon whatever you want to send. So just go to your mailing app from where you're sending and just select the compose button to send it. Now you want to make sure that your account related to your HoYoverse account is actually selected, and after you do that, on the to section, which means that the support email of HoYoverse is support, and then you have to type in _os@hoyoverse.com. Now this is the official support customer email address of HoYoverse account, so you want to make sure to go ahead and simply enter this exact email address right over here. It says support_os@hoyoverse.com. You can also check it on their website. This is the official support page or the support email for your HoYoverse account. Once you add this as recipient, now what you could do is you could simply enter the subject line depending upon what kind of service that you actually want to contact them for. For example, maybe your account could be hacked or you're trying to get back to your account, then you can simply select account recovery or anything as such. Now once you actually go ahead and then enter your subject line, and you can simply go ahead and enter any of the message that you want to send to HoYoverse. Now keep in mind that before sending them an email, you always want to make sure that the problem that you're trying to solve is not within the help center, because if it's inside the help center, it's a 90% of the chance that they're not going to get back to you. Instead, they're going to reply to you with an article that can help you with the solution. So you have to keep that in mind. If you need an assistance, you can say you have looked for everything everywhere on the web that in order to recover your account, but you've not been able to do so. You can also be ready for any type of verification purposes relating to your HoYoverse account, and just click on the send button. But as I repeat, the email is support_os@hoyoverse.com. That's all it takes to email HoYoverse. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.